Assalamu alaikum. Hello traders. How are you? I hope they all are fine and perfectly fine. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ सब ठीक ठाक होंगे, परफेक्ट होंगे. So guys, today I have a video about a weekly forecast. And आज की मेरी जो वीडियो है वो है अबाउट वीकली फोरकास्ट कि इस वीक में मार्केट कहाँ मूव करेगी, क्या मूव होगी मार्केट में. तो लेट्स गो. वी कैन प्रेडिक्ट. So guys, I have a DXY dollar index. So as you can see that, and यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि मार्केट फ्रॉम 99.94 से नीचे डाउन नीचे मूव कर रही है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस लेवल सपोर्ट लेवल है. ठीक है, जहाँ से मार्केट उठेगी. ओके, और might be it will go to the market will react like this from here up or maybe then down. Okay, then after that it can go up, or it can also go up here. Okay, and as a retest the resistance level, because the before it was a support level, now it's break already support level, so become a resistance level. जैसे आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं मार्केट नीचे आ रही थी, उसने सपोर्ट लेवल को तोड़ा. ठीक है, देन आफ्टर दैट दूसरी स्पॉट पे पहुंची एंड नाउ इट विल बाउंस बैक टू द रेजिस्टेंस फॉर रीटेस्टिंग और बैक केस, यू कैन से दैट. सो दिस इज द डॉलर इंडेक्स. सो लेट्स गो द एन अदर पेयर. what can be 1 minute. We can go to USD CAD. What happened? I think my net is slow. Come on, come on. What happened? Yeah, now it's open. So guys, here you can see also this is the USD CAD and H4. टाइम फ्रेम इज H4. आप देख सकते हैं कि ये USD CAD है एंड इसका जो टाइम फ्रेम है वो H4 है. So 1 minute, let me do something. Okay, so I can explain here as much as I can. So guys, you can see from the up it's going down, higher low, lower high, sorry, lower high, lower high, lower high. So now it is stop in at the resisted spot level. Okay, so this is very strong spot level. So now it's time to bounce back to the resistance level, like it was a spot level but now broke and become a resistance. So I can explain also this. 1 minute. As you can see here, market, what we can do, market will go to this level. Okay, might be also this level, then bounce back to the trend. The trend is now selling trend right now. So market can work to back to this and then this. It will be possible if the market will go here, if you can get the, अगर आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कोई रिवर्सल बनता है, that will be bearish reversal. Okay, if यहाँ पे कोई रिवर्सल बनेगा तो हम उसको सेल कर सकते हैं with another candle closing confirmation. Understand? So it was a USD CAD. It's very simple analysis and it will be inshallah perfect. From here it will go up. Okay, also can go here also possible. If not, it can be stop here, then it will make a bearish reversal. Okay, like a pin bar, like a bullish engulfing, anything. Then it will go to the, then it will go again to, from here it will go almost 1 minute. 1 minute. It can be possible it will go here, from here to here level. Okay, also possible if it will go from here to up, then the next level will be also here, and it can be very perfectful opportunity for selling if it will go here, and you can make a lot of pips, inshallah. So guys, it was a USD CAD, okay, and H4 time frame. So let's see what can be the next pair. That will be Euro USD. 1 minute. Euro USD. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Yes. Oh, sorry. So now let's see. I think I need to go to the daily time frame. It can be very perfect for you guys. So now let me make a full screen. It can be easy for look. As you can see guys here, market is going up, 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 and up. Okay, so now let me start to explain this, boss. Guys, it will like this, like this, like this. Okay, market continuously going up. ये बहुत जैसे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ से मार्केट उठी, then उसने एक confirmation दी, then going up. Okay, so now the market it's standing at the point. As you can see here, market reverse bounce back from the 1.13618. Okay, the next level market will make here. It will be possible market. 1 minute, 1 minute. Market what will do? Market will bounce back here. Okay, possibility also here. Then from here it can go up because it's now it will be in bullish trend. It almost started. So let's see what market will do, inshallah. I hope we can make some pips, inshallah, in this pair. So as you can see guys, I can show you the bigger area, like market break this trend line. Okay, as you can see, and also if the major trend line also will touching the two, here also, and 1 minute, यहाँ भी आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भी मार्केट ने यहाँ पे टच किया हो. Oh shit, 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 shit. 1 minute guys, I'm so sorry. अब यहाँ से देख सकते हैं प्लीज. सॉरी सॉरी गाइस. अब यहाँ से अगर आप लोग देखें मार्केट, what a beautiful. Okay, if you look at here market scenario, it's very nice. Okay, one touch, one touch, two touch, and three touch. So now it's time to now it's time for retracement, guys. 1 minute. What this? Oh man, no way, no way. Guys, something bad for me. 1 minute. Let me reload this. Actually, my mouse is not working right now, so that's why I'm using this from the laptop. So it's sometimes it's difficult to move. Okay, so now one touch, two touch, and one touch the first one. Okay, so now it's time to retrace. So my analysis can, oh my god, my analysis can show this. Okay, market should come here, should come to this level 1.108, 1.108, then it can be bounced back from here to upside. So let's see market will happen, what we can do for us and how we can make the pips. So guys, now I like to go to another GBP USD. GBP USD. 1 minute. The GBP USD right now. Oh my god. GBP USD. Okay. Here what is going on here? As you can see, what a beautiful pattern here, and I like so much this pattern. मुझे बहुत प्यारा लगता है ये पैटर्न. उसमें बहुत अच्छी होती है मूव. जब मार्केट इस लेवल पहुंची तो मैंने यहाँ से बाय किया था, इस लेवल से मैंने बाय किया था, तो मेरा टिप हिट हुआ था. मेरे पास ऑलमोस्ट 3 to 4 ट्रेड्स थी यहाँ पे, मैंने यहाँ से बिल्कुल इसी पॉइंट से बाय किया था और मैंने अपने ग्रुप में फिजा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी शेयर की थी, वहाँ पे अभी भी चार्ट्स पड़े होंगे इसके। सो गाइस हेयर वी कैन लुक, यहाँ से मार्केट गिरी, ठीक है, देन मार्केट हेयर एंड इट्स वर्किंग इन, you can say, range also, and lower high small, like this range. Okay, so now the market, this trend line market is market broke already, market यहाँ से इस trend line को break किया, okay, but my target, it will go to this level, I'm sure, I'm pretty sure it will go in future this level easily, inshallah. 1 minute, let me give you the price. It can go, it can touch to this level, inshallah. So now market, what can happen? Possibility market will make a range here, like 1 minute, I'll show you this shit. Oh my god, let me remove this. 1 second, guys. So market, what will do here? Market, it's showing something like possible market like this, like this, like this, then it will go to up. Might be here some, maybe यहाँ पे कोई पैटर्न बनाए मार्केट, लाइक कुछ भी बन सकता है यहाँ पे अब अप मूव के लिए, और पॉसिबिलिटी आल्सो हियर, another scenario can be here to touch this TL, okay, then come back to this point, this almost, it is a resistance level, okay, market is working now in between resistance and support, okay, so market will come here, and from here it can market can work to upside, and the value can is showing, I can tell you, the 1.30257 or 260, whatever you can say. Market can go easily here. Minute. Market can go easily here. This is the exactly price, 1.30600, okay, this is a almost, maybe in 2 weeks it can reach there, but my scenario, it's a long term, the value can touch here in future, maybe within a month, within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever, so it will touch here, inshallah. So guys, जस्ट लुक हैव अ लुक हियर, यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे अपना कौन सा हमें बुलिश रिवर्सल मिलता है कि यहाँ से हम अच्छी एंट्री ले सकें बाय की, और यहाँ पे हम अपना इस सपोर्ट के नीचे हम अपना एसएल रखें और हमें हमारा जो प्रॉफिट हो ऑलमोस्ट इस रेजिस्टेंस लेवल पे हो, या तो फिर यहाँ पे हो, ये इट्स लॉन्ग टर्म एंट्री. सो गाइस, this is GBP, it was a GBP USD and daily time frame, okay. So now I like to go to another pair. What will be, this will be gold. Let me search a gold for you guys. I hope you guys can understand easily. 1 minute, and I like to go to H4. So guys, here, have a look here. 1 minute, wait a minute. So I like to full screen, it will be very perfect. Okay, so this is the gold H4 time frame, okay. As you can see here, market's going up and making a lot of, like you can see here, boss guys, the traders, my lovely traders, look at here, market going up, okay, then here, then here, 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 like you can see here, then also it's break here, then it's come back to this again. इसने यहाँ पे देखें आपने resistance level break किया, it will go up, and this was also a resistance level here, okay. Then market become a support, okay, then just little retrace and go down, then after that just ranging and higher low, smaller higher low, and making here market is point पे पहुंच गई, okay. After that market just making, like you can see also here, as what can be the scenario for the next move. 1 minute, I like to tell you guys. Market still in the channel, okay, market working in the channel, okay, as you can see here guys. ये देखें जरा, मार्केट जो इस टाइम चैनल में वर्क कर रही है, हेलो ट्रेड यहाँ पे, देन मूव हेयर, then here. Okay, one touch, two touch, three touch, this is the fourth touch, so it's mean the fifth touch will be done, inshallah, need to be done. So this can be the scenario will be impossible. Okay, market will come here, as you can see it's like a bullish pin bar. Okay, here. So I hope inshallah market will reach to this level. Market will reach to this level 71730 point something, maybe it will reach here. After that it will touch to this TL, and let's see market what will happen in this week. 1 minute guys, as you, it's very easy. I make a very simple analysis to everyone can understand easily. If you have any question, anything, you can ask me, you can WhatsApp me, I can tell you, inshallah. So guys, this it was a gold H4 chart. Okay, so now my next pair will be Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Let's see what happened here. Euro GBP boys. My traders is Euro GBP. Okay, what market will happen? It was a range. Market was working. Market just moving in the range. Okay. After that, what market will do? Market. What minute? 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Market, what happened in this area? Market just come here, then up, then down, then up, then down, and from here market broke the resistance, and you can see the sideway move already broke. यहाँ से मार्केट ने साइडवे बनाया हुआ था, यहाँ पे मार्केट जब आई तो कैंडल ने क्लोजिंग की आफ्टर रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, then you can see very nice retesting. Here you can come back retest and it's go market going to wow, nice. And then he just make a pattern here, as you can see guys. It is a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, head and shoulder. Okay, one head, oh sorry, show left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. Okay, now it's now market standing on the neckline of the head shoulder, right? So what guys will do now here, I like to tell you guys, we will do, we will not do anything, we will not make buy, we will not sell. Okay, until हम लोग इस पे ना सेल करेंगे ना अभी बाय करेंगे, हम लोग इसकी नेक लाइन का ब्रेक होने का वेट करेंगे. नेक लाइन में ब्रेक होने की क्या है चांसेस, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. 1 मिनट सर. As here. Okay, 1 minute guys, I like to remove this. Guys, 1 minute, 1 minute. The traders, what we will do, मार्केट वर्क, ये राइट शोल्डर था वो कंप्लीट हुआ. ओके, राइट शोल्डर इज कंप्लीट ऑलरेडी, देन इट्स कम बैक टू द नेक लाइन. ओके, market, what will happen now, market just up from this TL, this trend line just touch it and closing above the TL, and even you can see the, as I just write the highlighted area, and that is a neckline. I will consider this neckline. Okay, so market how it can behave in the in this week inshallah for us. uh 1 minute, market just put this guys. Put this, how it will come. Shit. I think something is wrong with me. I don't know but I did it. Still is showing like this. 1 minute, let me tell you guys what will happen now. Market will come here to this TL. Okay, it will touch here, then what he will do, the market यहाँ से नीचे आएगी इंशाल्लाह. Based on this pattern, I'm telling you, based on this pattern. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to take the trade. Okay, we will take the trade for this only sell but wait for confirmation to enter. Okay, यहाँ से मार्केट यहाँ पे आएगी, इस टीएल को टकराएगी, ठीक है, यहाँ पे टच होगी, यहाँ से फिर बाउंस बैक होगी इस टीएल तक और इस हाइटेलेटेड एरिया, देन वहां से कंटिन्यूसली इट विल गो टू here, maybe here 88046 और मे बी 86923 यहाँ तक आएगी, ठीक है। ये तो हो गया मार, लेकिन बट आप लोगों ने सेलिंग एंट्री लेनी है रिटेस्टिंग पे। जब मार्केट यहाँ से यहाँ पे आएगी तो यहाँ से बाउंस बैक होगी, then it will touch to here, it will bounce back to this pricing, it will bounce back to here then here. Okay, so guys, it is euro gbp and time frame is h4. Okay, now I like to go to gbp nzd. gbp nzd, oh wow, just gbp nzd, wow, 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 wow. It's nice. So gbp nzd, I like to go to the daily, then we will come to the, what the hell, yaar, something is wrong with me actually. My mouse is very difficult for me right now. I'm just going to one minute reopen and it, guys, very sorry for this, please bear with me and bear the my mistakes. I hope you can understand. Oh wow, gbp nzd, wow, here it's gbp nzd, right? So we'll go to the daily time frame and check it here, check it out, guys. Market's working, as you can see. If I will zoom out totally, so as market is going, even you can see here, I don't know actually this software how, market work here, then here, then here, then here. Okay, you can see here. So now it's come back to here, it should touch to this TL. As you can see, this is like a bearish flag, bearish flag pattern. Okay, this is the, you can see here stick, डंडा कह सकते हो आप इसको डंडा भी कह सकते हो। यहाँ पे देखो ये एक पैटर्न बन रहा है उसके अंदर, ठीक है, ये फ्लैग है। सो आई कैन रिमूव दिस नाउ and I can explain you the based on the values, guys. Why it is coming here again and again? So guys, market what will do? Market coming from here to up, here, here, here. As you can see, it is like a ABCD pattern. Okay, and after that, market just touch to this level. Okay, this TL. Okay, and market also want to break this, but this is only weak. The body was closed inside the TL. Okay, channel के अंदर ही body इसकी close हुई थी. Then market again touch to this, then market down, then again touch to this, then market down, then just near about, and उसके बाद देखो ये market यहाँ से continuously नीचे आई जा रही है. Little retracement there, but market देखें अब यहाँ से अपना लोअर हाई बनाते नीचे आ रही है। अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, यहाँ पे मार्केट, आई बिलीव दैट मट मार्केट विल डू, मार्केट यहाँ से, जो मुझे लगता है यहाँ से यहाँ पे आएगी। सो गाइज, आई लाइक टू टेल यू समथिंग हियर, as you can see this is a selling trend, market is going to the selling, right? So guys, what you will do, अवॉइड, ओके, आपको लॉस ना हो, लेकिन आप कोशिश करिए यहाँ से मार्केट को यहाँ तक ट्रेस होने दीजिए। ऐसा मत करिएगा कि आप यहाँ से बाय की ट्रेड लें, बाय की ट्रेड लेंगे पॉसिबल है कि मार्केट इतना उसको ट्रेस करे कि आपका ऐसा लिट हो जाए, ठीक है। यहाँ पे कोशिश करें कि मार्केट को यहाँ से यहाँ तक ट्रेस करने दें, उसके बाद आप यहाँ से अपना बाय लगाएं टू दिस अपना सपोर्ट लेवल और दिस टेल, ओके। अब यहाँ से आप बाय लेंगे, ओ सॉरी सेल लेंगे, और अपना ऊपर जो है तो थोड़ा सा ऊपर कैसल रखेंगे, और आपका टीपी जो होगा टेक प्रॉफिट वो टीएल तक होगा, यहाँ तो फिर ये स्पोर्ट तक होगा, ओके। Possible also, the second scenario like to tell you also here, market can break this spot, okay, this one, market can break this spot and closing the below. So okay, so you have to look carefully if there is bearish pattern like a bearish engulfing and a pin bar or anything, as you look at here, it is closing like a pin bar. It is closing like a pin bar, but I cannot consider this. It will be go down, okay? Because I need a confirmation. If the next candle will close below the will close below the resistance and between this very small area, if closing below, I will be make sure, मैं यहाँ पे बिल्कुल पक्का हो जाऊंगा कि यहाँ से मार्केट यहाँ तक आएगी आएगी, ठीक है। अदरवाइज मार्केट पॉसिबल है ओपन होते सारी मार्केट कि जो फर्स्ट कैंडल है वो ऊपर बने, तो स्लोली स्लोली मार्केट रेंज करती 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 इस पॉइंट पे आ जाए। इस पॉइंट पे आने के बाद मार्केट फिर डाउन आएगी यहाँ से यहाँ पे, okay? Also possible market can also go more down, okay? You guys understand? So it is a GBP NZD and daily time frame. So now let me go to the another one. It is odd USD. Odd USD. Oh my god, where is odd? Where is D? Guys, as you look, this is a daily time frame. So it's a very nice and simple analysis, guys. You can understand easily, I hope. This, ये कैसे आ गया है? 1 minute, let me remove this, guys. Also, so guys, here you can see here market is continuously going down, here, like this market is going down, and it has the resistance between it is working in this, okay? From here market break the spot area, then look at here, market very beautiful make a testing here, then go down, okay? Now from here it's like a pin bar and going up, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, still little bit range here, then higher low, higher low. It's going to touch, it's going to the same area from where market moving to the down, okay? So now market, you can see here, it is a bearish pin bar यानी कि सेलिंग रिवर्सल एरिया। अब यहाँ पे देखते हैं हम लोग क्या हो सकता है। यहाँ पे हम सेल कर सकते हैं मार्केट की। ये जो पिन बार बनी है ना, अगर आप लोग इसको सेलिंग करना चाहते हैं तो आपका एसएल जो होगा वो अबव द रेजिस्टेंस लेवल होगा, द टीपी आल्सो हियर। This value, if you will put, inshallah your TP will be hit, I hope, inshallah. So this value, it's a nice signal. Or if you want to wait for the Monday closing, you can wait for the Monday closing and jump for the selling. Even you can also jump, but your SL will be here, okay? Because market can move to the neck of this pin bar, the wick, okay? So it is very understood analysis. I believe that everybody can understand. अगर किसी को नहीं समझ आए, कोई प्रॉब्लम कोई परेशानी हो तो आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं। सो आई कैन टेल यू, नो इशू बॉस। ट्रेडर NZD USD, like to go NZD USD. This is the NZD USD. So it is also moving like a very nice from ups. If you will see here, one here, it is going as a perfect. From here it's going down, and if I will put one here, but I like to draw the major TL, that will be that is this is the one, okay? So what will market happen? I believe market can touch to this area. Market can touch to this area here like this, okay? Then market possible can go down. From here market can down, okay? Or also possible market from जब मार्केट ओपन होगी तो मार्केट यहाँ से पॉसिबल है कि यहाँ से कंटिन्यूसली डाउन साइड पे मूव कर जाए, यहाँ से मार्केट डाउन साइड पे मूव कर जाए, ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ठीक है? बट आप लोगों ने मार्केट अगर इस रेजिस्टेंस इस रेजिस्टेंस और इस सपोर्ट से अगर मंडे की क्लोज कैंडल जो है नीचे क्लोजिंग करती है तो आई बिलीव इट विल बी गो डाउन, ओके? बट एसएल, आई लाइक टू टेल यू द एसएल हियर, एसएल आपका जो है ना वो यहाँ से इस रेजिस्टेंस लेवल से लिटिल बिट लाइक हियर, like you put here 6160 for example, okay? So your TP will be very nice. Almost, if you can say, it will be maybe 1:2, and it can also be the good trade for you guys. So, guys, I hope you understand this analysis. If you have an issue, you can ask me. You can WhatsApp me anything. Okay. So it is 900 USD daily time frame, right? Okay. So guys, आज की वीडियो मैं यहाँ पे क्लोज करता हूँ। ये थी अपना आज की वीक की जो फोरकास्ट थी, वो मैंने आपको बताई है। आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन, कोई प्रॉब्लम, कोई एनीथिंग, you can contact me. Have a perfect weekend, have a wonderful weekend, have a lot of tips for you guys. Stay happy. Allah Hafiz. Remember me in your prayer, and please subscribe my channel and like, share, comment, please. And thanks a lot, guys. Allah Hafiz.